Hi, I'm Kutzer with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools. Once you've finished out your day of fishing, now you got to put your rod away. You want to make sure you put it away properly, so I'm going to show you that. The first thing you want to do is reel up all your line. When you reel up all your line, I like to hold the line underneath a little bit of tension and wind it on nice and evenly and tight. If you reel this line up a little bit loose, your line might flip underneath itself, and next time you pull that line off, you might find that you caused a little knot in your reel. So I hold onto this line, work it back and forth, winding it up nice and tight. I've already clipped off my fly, so now I can reel this line all the way up. Once I get to my leader, what I like to do is leave a foot or so, maybe a little bit less, of tippet material hanging out of my reel so I can find it easily the next time. I'm going to unscrew this nut right here, slide down the bottom of my reel seat. I can pop my reel off, and now it's time to take apart my rod. When I take apart my rod, I want to just grab it right next to the ferrule, apply a little bit of pressure, twisting, and make a little bit of a pull. This works great with graphite rods. If you have a bamboo rod, you don't want to twist it. You're just going to pull. I can come to that next section, apply a little bit of pressure, twist, and pull. Again, that last section, a little twist and pull. When you're placing your rod away, you have sequentially larger and larger pockets in your rod sock, and you want to put your pieces in each one of those pockets accordingly. You're going to put your tip section in the smallest pocket with that tip facing up. The next piece right here, I place in the next pocket. Right there. And then my middle section right here, I put in this larger pocket with that stripping guide. Again, these are all going tip up. But then when you get to your last section, I like to go tip down in that largest pocket. What that's going to do is that's going to put the weakest section, which is that tip, next to the strongest section, which is the butt of the rod. That's just going to help protect that tip section a little bit more in that sock. Once we have that rod in that sock, we can fold the top over. And what I like to do is roll the two ends in right here, roll them up nice and tight. Then I can take my string, tie a nice, neat little bow, something really easy to tie, just like you're tying your shoes. Grab my tube, slide it in with the tips down, then grab my cap, screw my cap on nice and tight, and now I'm in good shape. I can now take this rod, put it in my car, put it in my bag, and I'm good to go for my next day of fishing.